There. They sound the same, but they are very different.
They're Remingtons, they're helicopters, they're tanks.
There.
They're mean, but they're incisive.
The word there, T-H-E-R-E, means at that place, not where you are now. The place where you are is here. There is my friend. Are there any more snacks? There are too many puppies. The word there, T-H-E-I-R, means belonging to them. Their toys are gone. Where are their toys? Their meals are too spicy. The word there, T-H-E-Y'-R-E, is the contraction they are or they were. They're eating pizza. Wow. They're done watching the video. They are fighting rabbits. Review shows a place and the opposite of here, there. Contraction of they are or they were, there. Belonging to them, there.